Introduction to the heart's function. The heart is a vital organ responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. Its primary function is to ensure that oxygen-rich blood reaches various tissues and organs while removing carbon dioxide and other metabolic wastes. This continuous circulation is essential for maintaining homeostasis and supporting overall health. Understanding how the heart functions and pumps blood provides insight into its critical role in the cardiovascular system. Structure of the heart. The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest cavity, slightly to the left of the midline. It is roughly the size of a fist and is divided into 4 chambers, 2 atria, upper chambers, and 2 ventricles, lower chambers. The atria receive blood returning to the heart, while the ventricles pump blood out of the heart to the lungs and the rest of the body. The heart is surrounded by a protective sac called the pericardium and is supported by a network of valves and blood vessels. Blood flow through the heart. Blood flow through the heart follows a specific pathway. Oxygen-poor blood from the body returns to the right atrium through the superior and inferior vena cavae. From the right atrium, blood flows through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. When the right ventricle contracts, blood is pumped through the pulmonary artery to the lungs, where it receives oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. Oxygen-rich blood then returns to the left atrium through the pulmonary veins. It flows through the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle, which has the thickest walls of all the heart chambers, contracts to pump oxygenated blood through the aorta to the rest of the body. This process ensures that all tissues and organs receive the oxygen and nutrients they need. The cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle consists of 2 main phases, systole and diastole. During systole, the ventricles contract, pushing blood out of the heart and into the arteries. This phase is marked by the heart's beat and is responsible for generating the blood pressure that circulates blood throughout the body. During diastole, the heart relaxes and the atria fill with blood returning from the body and lungs. This phase allows the heart chambers to refill with blood in preparation for the next contraction. Electrical conduction system. The heart's pumping action is regulated by its electrical conduction system, which ensures synchronized contractions. The sinoatrial (SA) node, located in the right atrium, acts as the heart's natural pacemaker, generating electrical impulses that trigger each heartbeat. These impulses travel through the atria, causing them to contract and push blood into the ventricles. The impulses then reach the atrioventricular (AV) node, which delays the signal briefly before sending it to the ventricles via the bundle of His and Purkinje fibers. This coordination ensures that the ventricles contract efficiently and effectively. Role of heart valves. Heart valves play a crucial role in directing blood flow and preventing backflow. There are 4 main valves: the tricuspid valve, the pulmonary valve, the mitral valve, and the aortic valve. These valves open and close in response to pressure changes within the heart chambers, ensuring that blood flows in one direction and preventing any reverse flow. Proper valve function is essential for maintaining effective circulation and preventing heart conditions such as regurgitation or stenosis. Regulation of heart rate. The heart rate is regulated by various factors, including the autonomic nervous system, hormones, and physical activity. The sympathetic nervous system increases heart rate and force of contraction in response to stress or exercise, while the parasympathetic nervous system slows the heart rate during periods of rest. Hormones such as adrenaline also influence heart rate, adjusting it according to the body's needs. Importance of circulatory efficiency. Efficient circulation is crucial for overall health and well-being. The heart's ability to pump blood effectively impacts the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to tissues, the removal of waste products, and the regulation of blood pressure. Impaired heart function can lead to cardiovascular diseases, such as heart failure or coronary artery disease, which can affect the heart's ability to perform its essential functions. Conclusion. The heart's vital role. The heart's function and its ability to pump blood are central to maintaining life and supporting the body's physiological processes. Through its structure, the cardiac cycle, electrical conduction system, and regulation mechanisms, the heart ensures that blood circulates efficiently throughout the body. Understanding the heart's role enhances our appreciation of its complexity and underscores the importance of cardiovascular health in overall well-being.